Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market yesterday, just as we expected and we discussed in the morning podcast, the Nifty was in a consolidation mode after a big short covering that happened the previous day. In fact, the FIIs have bought for just about 23 crores. That's nothing, isn't it? Just 23 crores. And DIIs were net sellers to the tune of 322 crores. So, yes, the DIIs continue to book profit. That's something really good. And FIIs have bought small and the Nifty consolidated throughout after the big short covering. But then the good thing is after the short covering also, after the consolidation, Nifty could actually close above 17,600, which is really good. So now we can see 17,600 as a good support, and if 17,600 is broken, 17,400 can be the next major support. But apart from that, if you look at what happened in the market yesterday, we could see RBL Bank, which was the main reason why the bank Nifty actually rallied and took the Nifty higher. In fact, RBL Bank was up 16.9%. So that was majorly because the kind of plans that they have, they've raised funds and all those things, which is actually making the RBL Bank to rally further. We could also see SpiceJet going up by almost 3% after the company actually announced that they are open for external parties to come and invest in the company. So that is something really good, and let us hope some good investor comes in and takes the company off all the problems that they're facing right now. IndusInd Bank also could be seen rising up by 2%. In fact, Jefferies has actually said that they see a 23% upside in the stock. So that's also a good stock to be watched. Now coming to today's stocks, I would say Bharti Airtel would be news. As we can see, Singtel is going to offload almost shares worth 12,900 crores today and transferring that to Bharti Airtel. So there is no reason to worry. It is just that the company is doing really good and Bharti wants to increase its holding in Airtel. And that's exactly why this is happening, which is just about 3% of the share that Bharti would get, which is something really good, I would say. And if at all there is any fall in the market in Bharti Airtel because of this, I would only look at adding some more to the portfolio. Since we are already invested, I don't think any reason to just worry about it. So now going on, we also have news from TVS Motors, as they've announced their investment into Narayan Karthikeyan's startup, which is called DriveX, and they would be investing into this pre-owned two-wheeler platform, which is founded by our Formula 1 racer Narayan Karthikeyan. So that's something really good because that would actually make a complete channel for TVS Motors to get the exchange vehicles and used vehicles, which can actually lead to better sales. So that's something really good. Next stock to be watched is Policy Bazaar or PB Fintech. In fact, the company is investing almost 650 crores into forming a new company in Abu Dhabi. So that's something really good. In fact, the kind of interest that we are also having as MPI to setting up a new office for MPI in Dubai. So we are also working on that. So similar thing is what we have seen PB Fintech is doing. So that's something really good for the company as well. And we could see that stock also kind of recovering. So in fact, after such a big correction after the initial launch, it is yet to go higher. So yes, we should, this is already in our radar. Let us see when is the right time to add the stock. So apart from that, if you look at the US market, the US markets did kind of consolidate in the initial part and then slowly went on to rise. We could see all the three US markets actually closing in the green yesterday. So that was something really good. So, we could see NASDAQ also going up, and in fact, NASDAQ was up almost, NASDAQ was up almost 0.41%, S&P 500 was up by 0.29%, and Dow Jones was up 0.18%. So, with the US markets going up and NASDAQ specifically going up, we could see finally some power returning back to IT sector. So there are chances the IT sector could actually perform today. And also the focus would be on banking sector, as banking sectors after RBL Bank rally yesterday, will they consolidate or will they rally further is something that we need to see. So if you look at the market today, I would, as I told you, 17,600 is an important support, and if that is broken, 17,400 is a major support. On the higher side, 17,800 would remain a major resistance. So I expect the market to kind of, especially today being the expiry, monthly expiry, I am expecting the market to expire within this range of 17,400 to 17,800. So all our trades in gold also would be on the same thought lines. In fact, one important thing is that we already are sitting with some good profit in Gold Club and with some good trades, which will, of course, with the market opening today, we should see some more profits there. In fact, Nifty is opening with a small gap up at almost 17,690, which is showing on SGX Nifty, which means we could open at around 17,650 to 17,680. So that's something that could be expected to see in the opening in the market. Let's see if 17,000 will 17,700 will act as a resistance, or will it break and take it to 17,800. So that is something that we need to watch. Of course, being the monthly expiry, do expect a very volatile day today, and let us may look forward to yet another profitable expiry. So with that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a nice day.